Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm just gonna be installing this PCV valve on the wagon. Pretty sure mine was cracked or damaged or something, so we're gonna change this shit real quick. Yep, see, should be like 10 minutes hopefully, so we'll see. Alright, y'all, so the video said well, this really shouldn't take too long, but really the only thing I need is a T30, so I need this T30, and then I think this one works. Alright, so it says this is really all I need. I wonder if I need one of these, but yeah, so I need one of these, and then what else do I need? It says a flathead screwdriver, so I'm pretty sure I have that in my car somewhere, but it's pretty much all I need for that, to replace the PCV valve. Actually, hold on. But yeah, like I was saying, it really shouldn't take that too long to replace the. Really shouldn't take that long to replace the PCV valve. So I got the. Basically, all I need to do is. Shit, it's kind of windy, my bad. But all I need to do is remove the cover, and then from there, it gives me access to the PCV valve right here. All I need to do is remove these. Remove these, remove this, and then I should get access to the PCV valve. I should get access to this, and then just remove it real quick. There's just a couple of screws and shit to hold it in. And then here's the boot right here. But yeah, pretty much it. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I just finished installing the new PCV valve. Everything's good. I'm just gonna put the coil packs back in, and pretty much it. Alright, all the coil packs are back in. Everything's plugged back in. Oh shit. Fuck. Alright, I'll leave that there. Let's see if it starts up. Let's see if it starts up now. Alright, so let's see. Up nice and should be good. I'm gonna let it heat up for a bit, and then I'm gonna go around the corner real quick, see what's up. But yeah, be right back. All right, she feels good. So far so good. She seems pretty good. Hopefully I can clear the check engine light later, but other than that I think she should be good for now. But yeah, alright, I'm gonna end the video at the parking lot, so see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. She's running good, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. She should be good for now, running all nice and smooth. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys.